Selling your home sucks.
We're Darin and Gianna with Kleinpell Team Realty, and we're here to help take the suck out of selling your home.
Selling your home sucks. First, it's deciding to sell, then contracts, negotiations and appraisals.
Then there's the decluttering, moving, packing, cleaning, staging, and showings.
At Kleinpell Team Realty, we help take the suck out of selling your home in the way we walk you through the home selling process, manage the complexities that arise in a real estate transaction, and at the end, deliver the high level of customer service our clients have come to expect.
Have thoughts of selling? Curious about your home's value? Give us a call, shoot us a text, or slide into our DMs.
Kleinpell Team Realty is here for you to take the suck out of selling your home. Call us today, 909-443-HOME.